So this week in class, we're going to go through kind of a week of inspirational math. We're going to introduce you to how your brain learns math. We're going to talk about norms for this class, and we're going to show you some really beautiful mathematics. Um, as you're working this week, it's really important that you can show up for the Google Meets. If you miss a Google Meet, you will still have work to do. So it's easier to come during class than it is to do your work later. So today is Monday. Today we're going to be looking at math is about looking for patterns. So I want you to really believe that math is not just solving for X, it's also figuring out why. It's not just doing the problem, it's also understanding the context of the problem. It's understanding how this algorithm works, not just applying the algorithm. I really believe that math is beautiful. And so one tie-in for that is that math is used in creating art. And it's also in the real world, you see kind of important mathematical ratios in lots of different places. So when people ask me, when will we ever use this in the real world? One thing that I sometimes say is, well, yeah, maybe not, but maybe you won't. But when do you ever really use the Mona Lisa? I also sometimes have students ask me if they can, well, if I can do this on my calculator, why would I want to do it by hand? And my answer to that is I have seen Battlestar Galactica, and I do not want to turn all of the knowledge of the world over to machines. Um, Regardless, math is here to stay. And so thinking of it as beautiful and about hunting for patterns and solving puzzles makes it more enjoyable for me, and I hope for you as well.